This is our new to us caravan for full-time living in the UK, Fendt 700 vogue. And in this video I'm going to tell you why we chose this particular model for full-time living, what were our non-negotiables, what we actually got and what surprises we had in the last few weeks living in this van, what works very well and what could be a potential problem for you if you are interested in this type of caravan. So let's dive in. So those of you who follow us on Instagram, KM Freedom Seekers, thank you very much for joining us on Instagram, where we publish content every day. You know very well that we recently had an upgrade and we changed the caravan. So this is a beast of a caravan, over 7 meters long. Actually, the whole shipping length is 8.8 meters, so almost 9 meters of a caravan and 2 tons. So it is a huge beast. And you have to be aware that these are quite rare in the UK and they have a bit of bad publicity, or well, they have a bit of publicity, and you know, they are associated with travelers and gypsies. And unfortunately, many sites ban these vans. So when this one was delivered, all of our seasonal neighbors arrived to have a look, to come and have a little nosy, because they have honestly never seen such a caravan, and this is the only caravan of this type on the whole site. So it is quite rare, a bit controversial, and has some associations, you know, in the public opinion. So you have to be aware especially if you are going to tour with something like that. We chose this for our seasonal pitch. We will probably not tour with this because of the size and you know, requirements regarding the car and the license, but it is an ideal caravan if you are looking for something for a seasonal pitch. So if it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm very happy that you popped in. If you don't know me, my name is Kat. I live and work on a campsite, and this is my home for most of the year. Right, so does it actually do what we were expecting it to do? How does it fit as a home? Well, I will tell you all about it inside. Our list of non-negotiables was quite modest, and there were actually only 2 points on this list. We really wanted a side dinette which converts into a single sofa, and we imagined that would be space for our dog. And after 5 years of living on wheels with really dodgy bedroom arrangement, I said that's enough. I'm not going to crawl over my husband each time I'm getting in and out of a bed. I want an island bed, and there it is. I got it. Yeah, so we wanted more space for the dog. I wanted the island bed, and Marek, my husband, he wasn't bothered much. He said, as long as I have space for my laptop and a quiet corner, I'm not bothered. I think the bedroom situation was not a problem for him, and I think quietly he enjoyed me crawling over him. Anyway, yeah, these were 2 non-negotiables. And there were not many models available really with this layout, with a side dinette, with a big bed, island bed, and a big lounge. Oh, this is actually the 3rd non-negotiable, the lounge. Yeah, for some reason we don't like those 2 benches on side. We like either U or L shape, which seems more open. And yeah, that was the 3rd non-negotiable. And again, we got it. We did our research, we were looking at different models. We were actually expecting to get an older model or something like this. We were looking at Fendt, LMC and hobby caravans with the island bed, side dinette and a nice big lounge. So that was our short list. We didn't expect to get something as new as this. We were ready to get something cheaper, but the main criteria was space, island bed, and what I told you before. We were not really bothered by the age or the look. This is a bonus, and as it turned out, we got a few more bonuses in this caravan and a few features which were really nice surprises. And things, you know, which we discovered as we had it, as we started living in it. So added bonus. So as we were ready to accept an older model, we really didn't expect such lovely privacy windows. And this is not a film or paint. These are made like that in factories, and this is burnt plastic. So this is not paint, this is not a film, this is actually manufactured in heat, and you know, a lot of heat is applied to plastic to make it black. So look, you can't see anything inside, but we see very well what's happening outside. And this is an unexpected bonus. The Caravan is on the same pitch, but we gained those amazing views because windows are huge and we got those new perspectives. So yeah, we love these windows. We have a dog, so we wanted something with darker fabric on cushions. These are not original. These are made by the previous owner, and she made them. These are actually covers. Oh, sorry, Diesel, I woke you up. You can go back to bed. These are covers which come off. So even though they are covers and they are really nice and you can remove them, look, you can remove them for washing, I still covered them with blankets, which may be a bit of an overkill, but you know, we have an older dog, we don't bother him with wiping his paws after walks in the rain. So that's what we do. So this was another lovely bonus, another lovely surprise, because the previous owners also have a dog. And yeah, we got those lovely removable covers. So I don't know if that would be a problem for you, that the previous owners had dogs. For us, it is a bonus because the Caravan got adapted, you know, to the needs of dogs and dog owners. So another example of such adaptation are those carpets. These are not original, these are cut to measure. They are in a few pieces, in a few elements. So underneath we have the original hard floor. It's covered with carpets. It's brilliant because we can hoover them, we can wash them quite easily, and if they get tatty and if they get really old, we can just replace them and use these carpets which we have as templates. So for us, it is another bonus. Yeah, I'm really interested. Would it be a problem for you if the previous owners of the Caravan had a dog? Or maybe not. Would you be bothered more by pets or by smoking in the Caravan? Let me know in the comment section. These curtains are not original, but they are really lovely, added by the previous owner. So you can see that they really loved and cherished this van. And even though they are not original, they fit well, they match our bedspread, and we are really pleased with them. We didn't expect such lovely lighting. We really like it. We love lights, we love LEDs, and I like the fact that, for example, in the bedroom, actually everywhere, we can have only the blue lights on, and this is really nice in the evening or when you wake up first thing in the morning to have such nice delicate light. Really like that. So as I told you, it was after purchase, that we discovered a few really nice features of this Caravan, also things added by the previous owners, really nice surprises. So we're really grateful to them because they sold us a lovely van, you know, and the price was very reasonable and they were lovely to deal with. So if you are watching that, thank you very much. You made us really happy. They actually even sent us a postcard recently. They are so sweet that they sent us a postcard with the best wishes in our new home. So those of you who follow us on Instagram, you've seen this, and everyone else can see it now. So yeah, so we've been very lucky. Anyway, so there were quite nice surprises. The biggest surprise was the fact that the dog doesn't want to use the sofa, the dinette sofa. He doesn't like this area. He still prefers to lie on the sofa in the lounge, so that's his favorite spot. And of course the other spot is our bed. So for some reason he doesn't like lying here, so we use this area as a dinette, which works good for eating, for working on our laptops. We like this small table because the main dining table which we have for the lounge is huge and it fits in this hole. It is used to make a bed in the lounge, so you can imagine the size, and if we had it there we would have no space to move around, and we wanted space. We wanted this feeling of an open space in the van, so we only used the small table. Yeah, so I think I actually told you about things which work very well for us in this van. So definitely space, definitely finish, definitely modern additions like LED lights and lovely curtains. So it's bigger, it's much warmer, it's insulated better. We also have central heating with blowout points along the van, and yeah, it's just more luxurious. And you can feel, yeah, this is the van which is 20 years younger than our previous, so it is a huge upgrade for us. Yeah, this van, you know, Fendt 700, it's a perfect van for a couple living full-time in it with a dog. Would it be a good choice for a family? I will leave it to decide in the comments. I think some of the features of this caravan could be problematic for others. They are not for us, but there are some features which may be a problem, especially for the family. So let me know if you agree or disagree. So we got our non-negotiable, which is a king-size bed, but of course that comes at a cost. Look at this kitchen. This is our kitchen. That's it. 3 nice deep drawers. Yeah, they are lovely. Gas stove with 4 burners, with a grill, with the oven, perfect, with a microwave as well, good. But that's it, that's your kitchen. Here is the sink. Modest, I would say. I mostly cook in the onion or I cook outside, so it's not a problem for me. But I think for a family of 5, this could be just too small, especially if you are touring. Maybe you don't have a huge onion with your kitchen stuff there. Yeah, this could be a problem. Yeah? Yes? Not? Let me know. Is that a big enough area for you? Of course, when you are cooking, you could use these as worktops, you know, you could have it all closed. Still, would it be enough for you? If you cook here, you could chop your stuff here. There's no extension to the side. There is, you know, nothing here to extend this worktop. So that's the kitchen for you. Is it too small? Or maybe not. And of course, if you have a huge bedroom and a decent size lounge, your bathroom will not be huge. This is not the end bathroom. It's actually hard to call it a bathroom. I would just call it a toilet. It is quite small. So this is a bathroom stroke toilet stroke a shower room. It is small. There's no separate shower cubicle. So to shower, you just pull this head out of the sink, you hang it there and you shower. Yeah, there could be a shower curtain. We don't have it because we are not showering in the van. For different reasons, but the main reason is that we have lovely facilities on the side and we prefer to shower there. We prefer to use shared facilities rather than wipe the whole bathroom after each shower. And you know, with 2 adults having at least 2 showers a day, every day, we may eventually have problems with damp, especially in such a small bathroom. Yeah, so that's it. A very compact bathroom. Quite a lot of storage, but still the room is small. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, as we are getting to the end of this video, I decided to invite you to our bedroom. So we are sitting on the bed right now, and from here I can see 2 further potential problems. So a slight problem for us which we have here is really no possibility to fit a TV in the bedroom, and we are used to having a TV in the bedroom. I don't know if that's your custom, maybe not. But for us, living in a caravan full-time, in the evenings, you know, winter, autumn evenings, we like to watch TV before we go to sleep. We could potentially fit a bracket to this wardrobe, but there isn't really much space here. The same on the other side, there is a small locker. Maybe we could use this. We don't really want to make any holes in the roof to fit something. So if you have any idea how we could have a TV in the bedroom without making too much damage to this lovely van, please post your ideas in the comments. And from here I can see one more problem. Can you see those bottles over there? So yeah, we do have a TV in the lounge and we can watch it from the sofa. Giselle is too tired to wake up, sorry. You could follow him on Instagram and actually see that he is alive. He's not a toy, it is a real dog. So we have a TV here, and behind the TV we keep our drinks and the bottles, because we've got this lovely bar here, but the shelves are not big enough or not high enough. This space is not high enough to fit your wine bottle, and that is really weird. Look, this is not high enough. And this is not high enough. So we would have to have, I don't know, cans or tiny bottles. Come on, we are Polish. We need proper bottles. So our bar is behind the TV. Yeah, so that's it. Come on, Diesel. Someone is having a bit of a lazy day. Okay, I will come to you. So here is our Diesel. Yeah, so I have a feeling this is another lengthy video and I probably spoke too much. I talked too much. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you are interested in our van and what does it look like inside, I hope you are satisfied and you've seen everything now. If you have any questions or would like to know a bit more about this particular model, ask me a question in the comments and I will answer as soon as I can, either in the comment or in the next video. In general, we are very happy with this move, with this change. And yeah, we couldn't choose a better van. And you know, the fact that travelers, people who live in the vans full-time do choose this particular model and this particular make. Yeah, there are reasons behind that. It's a really sturdy, robust van, and we hope to have, you know, many happy years in it. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. You just click the button subscribe, then you can click the bell and you will get a notification each time we release a new video. Yeah, subscribing is important because it helps us grow the channel, and the bigger channel, the more audience we can reach. You know, the more people watch our videos, the more people will see. This is how YouTube works. If YouTube thinks, oh, this is an interesting video because many people like it, watch it and comment it, and many people subscribe to this channel, this must be worth the interest and the time, and it will be shown to more and more people. And of course, this is our goal, because we would like to share our lifestyle with as many people as possible worldwide and make some, you know, some good connections with people, talk to like-minded people, talk to people who think, you know, like us, who are maybe thinking about living in a caravan, maybe they are thinking about working on a camping site. Yeah, we want to know you. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Hopefully, see you here on site. I know some viewers are already planning a trip to the site where we work, so we are over the moon. We can't wait to meet them. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.